I've always been working together with Professor Lukinat in structural biology and use of NMR applied to life sciences, and since a few years I was involved in the study of human samples or biological samples in general by metabolomics via NMR. And I'm also involved in biobanking activities. We have, with the local foundation, we have created a small biobank here, which is part of this European BBMRI network and is part of the national network of biobanks. And so our biobank is mainly focused on the metabolomics aspect. That's why we got interested in biobanks, and so we have developed our standard operating procedures internally, which are very much focused on the quality of samples that will be used for metabolomics analysis. I've also initiated an analysis of, by metabolomics, of the quality of samples, so how different are samples coming from different biobanks. And we saw that there are huge differences. We can discriminate very well the origin of the samples as a function of the biobank, and so the idea is that adopting these guidelines we should have a more homogeneous collection of samples. We have created a consortium of partners involved in metabolomics, both in NMR, mass spectrometry, and also IT part. Is a consortium with no funding. It's just a volunteer association of some of the main centers in Europe working in metabolomics, and Professor Lukinat is the coordinator of this initiative. And so the idea is to provide biobanks in the tools in metabolomics to validate their procedures, verify their quality. So we are proposing ourselves as an expert center in metabolomics for biobanks. So I think that the actions of EXCEMET will be very important to realize this project that BBMRI is proposing of testing the quality of samples. So the idea of BBMRI is to use the different guidelines produced by CERM, so they are not only for metabolomics.